Don't you know how to make your hair grow faster, thicker and longer? I'll show you a recipe that will surprise you. A little known fact about onions is that their juice can help hair from thinning and from falling out. Onions have a high amount of sulfur in them. Because sulfur helps with your blood circulation, it can also help your hair grow and repair. One of the main things needed for hair to grow is sulfur, which is contained in a lot of amino acids that build proteins. As you may know, protein is essential in hair growth. Keratin is also a protein that has a high amount of sulfuric amino acids. Scientists have proven that onions help with hair loss and other hair problems, such as dandruff, infections and premature praying. In this video, we will give you a recipe using onion juice and honey to treat not only hair loss, but will leave your hair smooth and shiny. Honey has many cleansing properties and helps to moisturize. Things you will need: 1 onion, honey, a blender, a strainer, a bowl, an essential oil of your choice, optional. Steps: peel, chop and blend an onion. Put the blended pulp into a strainer. Using a spoon, press the pulp to extract the juice. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey to the onion juice. Optionally, add a few drops of an essential oil, such as lavender oil. How to use: massage your bald patches or your entire scalp with this mixture. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on overnight, or at least for 30 minutes. Rinse your hair the next morning. Repeat daily for a few months, or until you are fully satisfied with the results. Tips: instead of blending the onion, you can grate it and then extract the juice. For squeezing, you can use a cheesecloth instead of a strainer. You can also use a juicer. To prevent your eyes from tearing or crying while cutting the onion, place the onion in the freezer for about 15 minutes and then chop it. If you want to add a fragrant essential oil, use rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or other similar oils that promote hair growth. You can also add lemon juice or rose water to cover strong smell of the onion. Did you like the information? If you liked the video, like it and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.